There has never been a greater time than now to invest in the Metro Detroit area, and there is no other investment firm better qualified than Platinum Real Estate Holdings. With 40 years experience and over 1,000 homes sold, let Platinum Real Estate Holdings assist you with the purchase of a city-certified home of the highest quality. Turnkey properties, screen renters, yielding instant cash flow. Well, what are you waiting for? Call or visit us online today.
Welcome to the weekly recap for the week of October the 10th. In today's recap, we'll share information about a real estate developer's new $1.2 billion investment in senior housing in Oakland and Macomb counties. And lastly, we will explore the story of a building in downtown Detroit that may be getting some extra floors. This week's recap begins now. Moscherie Companies are building a $1.2 billion development project called Blossom Collection, located in Oakland County and Macomb counties. The development is being built to serve the region's growing aging population in what Moscherie says is a lack of comparable product offerings featuring luxury amenities like spas and golf courses for the region's 55 and older population. The region's population of 65 and older is expected to grow 85% to 1.13 million by 2040, according to data from the Southeast Michigan Council of Government. Yet, few housing communities ranging from independent living to memory care to assisted living offer these luxury amenities. Dominic Moscherie, partner at Moscherie, says his company has created a new vision for independent and attainable luxury living. Kelly Shear, president of the Blossom Collection, says they will be creating 3,400 units geared towards those 55 and older in the next decade, offering not only independent living, but assisted living and memory care in premier locations, neighborhoods where people want to live, said Shear. They are planning for the Blossom Collection to provide services and amenities which are head and shoulders above other senior living communities. The first planned development is Blossom Ridge in Oakland Township, which faced years of delays during a lengthy court battle over a zoning change. The lawsuit was settled earlier this year, and the development, which is expected to have 500 units, can move forward at Dalton and Adams Roads. Another project is planned in Sterling Heights, the Verandas, which is expected to include 807 townhouses, condominiums, and luxury apartments at the 288-acre Maple Lane Golf Club off East 14 Mile Road, east of Van Dyke Avenue, which Moscherie Companies bought last year from the Roll family. The Verandas is supposed to begin construction after the 2018 golf season and cost $300 million. Maple Lane is expected to be redesigned as an 18-hole resort-style golf course and a 9-hole practice course, according to a news release. The designer is Raymond Hearn. About 500 units in Auburn Hills, 800 units in Clinton Township, 500 units in other Macomb County locations, 160 units in downtown Rochester, and 160 units in Orion Township round out the mix of projects. Kelly Shear, president of Blossom Collection, came from Trinity Senior Living Communities, serving 10 years as vice president of strategy and operations, says the demographics are very strong in our market. They are absolutely showing growth in the 55 and over crowd. This is a growing group of people that are going to need our services. Next up, a downtown Detroit building could get more floors with new ownership. According to Crain's Detroit Business, the First Independence Bank building is under new ownership, and the 21,000 square foot building at Michigan Avenue and Griswold Street could get several new stories for apartments, bringing its height slightly more in line with what's surrounding it in downtown Detroit. Roger Basmastian, a downtown real estate investor who also owns the 751 Griswold building, kitty corner from the two-story First Independence Bank building, said it's not known how many stories would be built on top of it. Right now, they're going to do some structural analysis to see what they have there, to see what it can support. There's a recent precedent for adding floors across the street, as Detroit-based Roxbury Group, who has added 80 new apartments on 5 floors atop a 10-story parking garage in a $24 million project. The First Independence Bank building was originally 8 stories, and then 6 were torn down in the 1970s because of high operating expenses, making it a 2-story building. In case you don't know, First Independence Bank was founded in 1970 to provide mortgage and commercial loans in the area's underserved black community, at a time when redlining made it difficult for them to buy homes. The bank recently opened a new location in the New Center area at 7310 Woodward Avenue at the northeast corner of Grand Boulevard. A.J. Weiner, the managing director at the Royal Oak office of JLL, formerly Jones Lang LaSalle, which is marketing the space, said a decision on how to proceed will be made after the space is leased out, preferably to a single user. Basmastian purchased the property in December. According to the CoStar Group Incorporated, a Washington, D.C. based real estate information service, the purchase price was, drumroll please, $2.45 million. Well, that's this week's recap. Did you find this recap helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for listening and have a great day.
This has been your weekly real estate investment news recap. Did you find this recap helpful? Please like or comment below this video to enter to win a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Real Estate Guide for Residential Real Estate Investments. You can also subscribe to our channel or go to our website to receive the latest in real estate news. Our website also affords you the opportunity to view our latest turnkey properties.